Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Following that, select this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature at the top. Tap on Allow in the pop-up and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this gear located next to Part device and tap on Unpair at the bottom. To connect the same one, just click on it and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!